Welcome back. Today I'm going to take you on a journey through part of the Voyageur Trail. We're going to see some waterfalls and some beaver lodges.
Will you want to speak again? I don't know, let's take it a step at a time. I think you want to see him again. Yes, in fact, I know he's always on your mind. When I hold you, I break down now and then. Don't tell me I'm strong, don't be too unkind. Just tell me that you're not the one. I have found a new one. You're not the one. I have found a new one. I think we both know exactly what this means, so take your books and the pages underlined. I read them so slow, the notes you left between each delicate verse, the workings of your mind.